Hello people, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you a super easy way how to change the aspect ratio of any video in Premiere Pro. So let's get on with it. Now in Premiere Pro, as you can see, my video is 1920 by 1080 resolution, and let's say if I wanted to change the aspect ratio to 1080 by 1920 for a TikTok video or Instagram reel or YouTube short, the old way of doing it was by going up to sequence, then sequence settings, and here from video where it says frame size, we would have changed it from, let's say, 80 and to 1920, which is 9 by 16, and then I would go down and click on OK, and this panel will pop up in front of us, and then we'll click OK again, and as you can see now the aspect ratio is changed and we've got a vertical format of video. And also you would have go up to motion in effects control panel and readjust it from here so it would be in the middle of the screen. You still can do it that way, but there is a easier way to do it, so I'll show you that in a second. Now the second way of doing it, which is much easier and it takes only a few seconds, is by selecting the video, go back up to sequence, and this time go down to auto reframe sequence. And when you click on this, from here this panel will pop up in front of you and you will have the option to change the sequence name. In this case I'll leave it as it is. Then from target aspect ratio we can change it from square to vertical 4:5, which is for Instagram I believe, and then we can change it to vertical 9:16, which is for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Then I'll click on that, and then from motion tracking we can choose between default, slow motion or faster motion. The slow motion is if you don't have too much movement in the video, and the faster motion is if you have too much movement in the video. But in this case I'll leave it as default, and then from here I'm gonna click on create. And boom, as you can see, Premiere Pro automatically readjusted the video and placed the object, in this case this lovely woman, at the middle of the video without us doing anything. And when we play it, we've got a perfect vertical video, which, as I said, you can use for all social medias. But let's say that your object in the video is not at the center of the screen. What you can do is, again, select the video, go down to auto reframe, and from reframe offset, you can move it to the left, to the right, or at the middle until you find the perfect spot for your object in the video. And that's it, guys. That's how easy and quick you can change the aspect ratio of any video in Premiere Pro. If you did find this video useful and you learned something new, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.